Hi there, Rachael-Jayne Groover here, and you're watching Awaken TV. This is a little episode each week where you get a weekly practice on presence, purpose, and practical spirituality. And today I have a request, and I have a practice around awareness when you make requests. I was in Chicago last week, a week before, doing a speech there, presentation. And my request is about that, actually. We're about to put out our next book. My book, Divine Breadcrumbs, is coming out at the end of April. And we'll be going on tour this year to do a lot of free speaking engagements. So my request is, if you are part of a group, if you're part of a circle of people who are on a consciousness path, maybe that's a women's business networking group, a church group, a women's social event. I say women, it could be men or women. We just usually attract more women in our tribe. And you have a group that is always more than 50, 60 people, reach out to me and find out if it's possible, if I can come and speak with your group for free and offer the book. We want to get the message out as much as possible. You can email support@grooverseminars.com. And even if you're not a part of a group, but you know a group in town that's really awesome and would love this consciousness raising message, go and email us at support@grooverseminars.com. And then for you, the awareness around what happens when you make a request. And I'm not talking about a request to a person. I'm talking about a request to your higher power, to the universe, to your spiritual source. So I was in Chicago the other day, and I was without Dada. Dada often travels with me because we speak and do music at our speaking engagements, but he could not make it. So I was there, and I was doing this presentation on my own. So I had to carry all my bags. I had to carry my bags on my own. And so by the end of the day, I was feeling tired and my back was starting to twinge. So I get off, the plane, I have to carry everything, my back's getting worse. I get to the hotel. I had been carrying things through Whole Foods because I wanted my food to eat healthy while I was there. And I rock up at the hotel, and the woman at the counter says, "Well, hello, Miss Gruber. I would like to congratulate you. You are our visitor of the day." And she went and got this, the bag and ribbon and everything with some things in it. I'm like, well, yes, I am. I'll let that in because I love being able to notice where I manifest really good things. And she said, not only do you get this bag of goodies, you get to spin the wheel. And behind the front desk, this was like a Marriott, and behind the front desk, there was this big wheel. I'd never seen that anywhere in Marriott before. And she said, come behind the desk and spin the wheel. So I spin the wheel to win my prize. And what prize ends up coming right up to the top, of the wheel? It said, manager will take your bags to your room. And I was like, oh my God, that is exactly what I had been requesting energetically all day, because my back was starting to hurt, that I don't want to carry my stuff anymore. And literally I won this. Well, here is the kicker. I looked at this woman. I said, well, who is the hotel manager? And she said, I am. And she was probably late 50s, overweight, sweet, sweet woman. And I said, oh no, you could not carry my bags. That would not be okay. And she said, I don't mind. I don't mind at all carrying your bags. No, 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 I said. And I rejected the gift right there and then. And she said, oh, okay, well, if you want to, you can spin again. So I spun again, and it came up a prize that I already get because I'm an elite member at Marriott. She's like, well, spin again. And it came up the same thing that I already have. And she's like, oh, let me just put some points on your thing. So long story short, I walk up lugging my bags that make my back even sorer to the hotel room. And I sit down and I go, wow, how quickly did I deny the gift that was being sent from my request? When is the last time you did that? That you were asking for something, you were requesting something, the universe provided, and you rejected it. It was such an aha for me of how quickly that happened, right? Yes, I feel like my cultural overlay, if I can't have older people carry my stuff, lots of intellectual things I could say about it, but it was so dang clear that I was being delivered exactly what I wanted, and I did not take it. So maybe you can think about something that's happened this week, or maybe you're seeing this right in this right time because it's about to happen. The opportunity of receiving a gift is going to happen in the next few days. And I want you to be ultra aware of when you might possibly shut it down, right? Or when you shut those things down that are people, messages, spinning the wheel prizes that give you exactly what you want. Now, a few days later, and my back's fine, I can laugh about it and go, oh my God, what a story. And I wanted to tell you about that. But I'm left with this reminder of how often to be more aware of when I reject the gift from the universe. So go ahead and post a comment below. Have you done that recently? Do you do that on many, many occasions? And remember, reach out to us if you would like us to come visit your city in the US, Australia, or Canada this year. And maybe we can join you for a free presentation on Divine Breadcrumbs. It's the book coming up. It's about a search for true love and enlightenment. I'm really excited to get the message out. Have a great rest of your week. We'll see you next week on Awaken TV. Take care, everyone. Bye.